Hello, and welcome to the Dentistry Library website video series, where we teach you how to navigate the Dentistry Library website and how to perform a number of different actions. In this video, we are looking at how to find eBooks. Let's start at the Dentistry Library homepage. One way to find eBooks in a specific subject area is to click on eBooks under Using the Library here on the left-hand side of the screen and right under the Library search bar. So let's go ahead and click on eBooks. On this page, if you scroll down, you will be presented with a list of different dentistry-related subjects, and to the right of the individual subject names are the call numbers for the respective subject. These call numbers indicate where you would find these books on the listed subject in the Dentistry Library stacks. But as we are looking for eBooks today, we are going to ignore that for now. So clicking any one of these subjects will take us to library search results for eBooks on this subject. For instance, clicking dental anatomy over here will return to us all eBooks in the UofT catalog that are classified under the dental anatomy subject heading. So let's go ahead and click on it. I would suggest logging in at this point because not all library materials will be visible without logging in, and because, as we will get to in a moment, you will need to log in with your UTOR ID and password to access full-text articles. There is a login button in the top right corner of the page and the library search user interface more generally, but as you can see here, I'm already logged in. Moving on, let's say we're interested in reading this book over here, Clinical Oral Anatomy, a comprehensive review for dental practitioners and researchers. Let's go ahead and click on it and open up the item's catalog record. Under View Online in this book's item record, we have full text availability through the following sources. The precise publisher or vendor from which the ebook is available varies from book to book, but generally speaking, they should all be listed here under the book's catalog description under the View Online subsection. This book is available through Scholars Portal Books. If we click on this link, we'll be brought to this book's online reader. The user interface and features of the online reader vary from vendor to vendor, but generally speaking, you should be able to read and download the entirety or portions of the book through this publisher page as accessed through the item's catalog record in the University of Toronto catalog. The other method to search for ebooks that I wanted to highlight today is the one you'll most likely be using, which is through searching the catalog using library search. Once again, we will start on the Dentistry Library homepage. In the search bar, you can enter a book title, topic, author, etc. to return results based on your search criteria. Let's say we're looking for books on contemporary orthodontics. Let's go ahead and search for that. Now, while the results returned to us are based on our search criteria for contemporary orthodontics, recall that we're looking for ebooks, and we did not quite specify that in our original search. So what we can do now is limit the results by applying filters through the Filters panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Under Show Only, we can specify the medium of the item we seek. Since I am looking for ebooks, I will click Online. As we're getting non-book results as well, I will click the box next to Books under Format, just so we're not getting articles and journals and the like. And then we shall go ahead and apply the filters. As a side note, please watch our video on library search filters if you want more information and a more in-depth example on selecting and applying filters. Now the results returned to us include online books on contemporary orthodontics. One more helpful thing we can do to specify our search is through phrase searching. As a quick reminder, or if you've not encountered phrase searching in other contexts, phrase searching is initiated by placing double quotation marks around a phrase and allows the user to retrieve catalog results in which the exact phrase appears with this specific combination and order of words. Without phrase searching, The results returned will also include those that feature the individual words in a phrase somewhere in their catalog description without necessarily appearing in the order and combination defined by the user. I imagine this sounds a little confusing, so I'll take a moment to explain what that means. In our case, what that would mean is that searching for, say, contemporary orthodontics, the phrase, without phrase searching, would also include catalog records that have the words contemporary and orthodontics somewhere in their catalog description, whereas phrase searching for contemporary orthodontics will only return results with the exact phrase contemporary orthodontics in their catalog description, thus narrowing the results. So let's go ahead and apply phrase searching to our search by putting quotation marks around contemporary orthodontics. As you can see here, our filters are no longer applied, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply them again. So once again, that would be online, and then limiting the format to books. Now, the ebooks returned to us are those that specifically contain the phrase contemporary orthodontics somewhere in their catalog description. Like with the previous method of accessing ebooks, one would simply click on the title to open up the catalog record, and then look for full text availability under the View Online subsection. This book is available through a different vendor than the last one, so the UI looks a bit different, but the functionality should be the same. As you can see, you can read the book online, and you can also download PDFs of the chapters. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching.